In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent image on Google Slides, a skill that's incredibly useful for presentations, graphic design, and more. Let's dive right into it. First, you want to open up your browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you're not familiar, Google Slides is an incredibly powerful tool for creating presentation slides, similar to what you can do in PowerPoint, but with the added benefit of being entirely online and easily accessible from anywhere you have internet access. So once you've fired up your internet browser, go ahead and type in the address bar, or click the link that leads you to Google Slides. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. If you're already signed into your Google account, it should automatically take you to the Google Slides homepage. If not, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Having a Google account really helps streamline this process as it gives you access to a whole suite of Google applications. Now that we're on the home page, you'll want to start a new presentation. You can either click on a blank presentation to start from scratch, or choose from the variety of templates available if you're aiming for a specific look or structure. This step is crucial because this is the canvas where we will practice making our image transparent. Next, you want to select an image to work with. You can add an image to your slide by clicking on the Insert menu and choosing Image. You have various options here: upload from your computer, search the web, or even pull from your Google Drive. What's nice here is the flexibility of image sourcing. With your image added to your slide, it's time to make it transparent. Start by clicking on the image so that it's highlighted, showing that it's selected. Then move your cursor up to the top of the screen and click on the Format menu. This step opens up a realm of editing possibilities for your image, including resizing, recoloring, and more. Within that, you're going to find and click on Format options. This will open up a sidebar on the right hand side offering various adjustments you can make. In the panel, look for adjustments and then transparency or opacity depending on your version. When you're here, you can adjust the slider to the desired level of transparency. Slide it to the left to increase transparency and to the right to decrease it until you reach your preferred level of transparency. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've easily made your image transparent within Google Slides. Hopefully this method will add a perfect touch to your next presentation, making it more professional and tailored to your needs. As you practice this skill, you'll discover even more creative ways to enhance your presentations and projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.